Hello everyone. We have enhanced our project template feature. So I'm going to explain you how you can use a new feature. So first you have to go to settings and you have to create project template. So if you are existing users, you must have few project templates created. We have enhanced these project templates with these three settings: start after, days to complete, and show to client. Now you can set all these settings within a template, so you don't have to do these changes for every project. So suppose this is my template. I have a two of our line items as a show to client. Maybe I'll add one or two more. These are like start after. This is a days after, days from start date after which this task should be started. Hello everyone. We have changed project milestone templates feature. We have made few enhancements. I'm going to explain you how you can use those enhancements. So for that, first you have to go to settings, then go to project milestone template. Now I have like 3 milestone templates already created. You can also create a new project template from here. I'll use the existing one. So for an example, this is my template. Earlier we used to have a task name or milestone name and action only. Now we have added 3 more items to template. So start after is from the start date of your project. How many days after the start date you want this to be started? Suppose for this I want after 2 days. For modeling I want maybe say 5 days. Layout creation maybe 15 days after project start date. Site measurement maybe 4 days after. Say 10 days after. This is a general maybe projects format I am using. Number of days to complete I can set here, that how many days it requires to complete this task, and I can also enable whether I want this task to be visible to client or not in their client app. So once I set up this, so I'll just update template. Now I go and check my template is updated. Now I can use this template in any project. So I'm going to my projects. I'll just select a project. I'll go to project management. Now in this particular project I already have a one task. I want to import the other task from my template. So I'll go to import from templates. I'll select that template. Now at this stage I have ability to select the start date. So suppose this is 9 January is today's date. So suppose my project is going to be started on say 25th, and if I want to make any edits to this specific to this project, that also I can do without changing my template. So suppose that I want 2D drawings to be started after 3 days from the project start date, which is 25th, and maybe number of days I want 2 days, or I also want like 2 more tasks are there. Maybe I want 3 4 6 tasks to be imported as a show to client true for this particular project. So I'll just make those changes here. I'll click on import. Now all these tasks are imported. You see, like from the project start date 25th, this start date of this task is 28 now, and number of days to complete were 2. So it is also show to client. So if I go to my client app, so your client will see this. So if I go and I check as a client, I see all these tasks which are visible. So there are like 6 tasks which are visible to client. If I want to make any progress update, so I'll suppose I have made a progress update to this task. I also made a progress update to this task, and also like these tasks I have made progress update. My clients will also be able to see these progress update on their client app. Similarly, if I go and look at the chart, I'll have this Gantt chart generated, which I can also export to PDF, and maybe I can share to my clients offline if they want to have view, or at least internal team if you want to have. So if you select the right status, you will also get all highlighted one. I can also change in so suppose this is a task which was supposed to be completed on 31st January. So let me make it half one. There is a one task. Suppose, let me just change it. I'll change it to the date, say, okay, first I have to change the start date. So I'll just change a start date to some old date, say 4th, and I'll also change end date to, say, today is 9, so I'll make it 8. And I am like maybe just changing the percentage progress to 11. This should show as a red. So this, you see, this started coming as a red, that this is a delayed task. So all you can, from the Gantt chart, you can get the very at the glance view of how your project is trending, what are the green, what are reds. And you can also import milestones very easily with all these settings set for your template. So you can create, say, multiple projects, multiple templates for different type of projects you are doing, and quickly import into your projects. Okay, thank you.